Yo guys, Team Pussy back on the video, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make your Discord bot status like whatever bot, like mine, how it is watching, not about me, of how it is watching 36 servers, and that will change every time a server changes, but we are not going to make that, we are not going to do the servers one today, we are just going to make it the status, so not this one, that's my private one. Okay, so we're going to go on YouTube tutorial, got another one. So open cmd.bat, code space, obviously it's going to open Visual Studio Code. And we still have all this, so what we're going to do is we're going to go above this one. We're going to do another bot.on, and then inside here we're going to do ready. Actually, yeah, is it in here? Let's check. No, it's right, you don't need that, it's just under this one, console.log. Okay, so it's going to be bot.user.setActivity, set activity capitals, and then it's going to be, sorry about that, it's going to be that, and then you can put whatever one, so I'm going to put like hello Discord, and then you're going to come out of that, put comma, and then we're going to open this up and we're going to put type and that, and then so you can do watching, playing, or listening. I like to do watching because it's much better. Watching, and then you can come out of that and do .catch. So we're going to catch the error, so console log, that's not console, console.error. And then put that at the end, save it, terminal, new terminal, kill that terminal, node space dot, and we should get the bot status in test guild. Tutorial, yep, hello, watching, hello Discord, so we could have watching, Discord servers, oh not that one, yeah, watching Discord server, save that, node space dot, go to Discord, and it's changed to watching Discord server. And obviously you can change it to listening, so it is watching, and you can do I'm pretty sure that's how you spell listen, I don't actually know, so we're just gonna go off top head, node space dot, and yeah, listening to Discord server. And one more thing about this is that if you're in both my servers, you probably realize that this server is now no longer working. Obviously you can read this, but there's going to be a full separate video going into depth of why I ended the server. I mean, the basics are here, so you can pause and read it, but I will be creating a separate video to explain that. So this is a quick video of how to get a bot status, bot user status for activity. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell, and make sure to watch the series and watch the episodes before, and peace.